It's hard because now I can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's going straight to the FBI.
2 pins down. I can feel them. How hard is it to break a lock pick? Not hard. Who asked that question? Did you?
I'm almost 50.
What you just say?
Damn it! Oh, shit!
I almost dropped my whole kit.
Got you 3 times.
Got it. No, I'm trying to do it again. Alright, ready? It's Jason that. This is not me. It's the white guy. No, that was fun. My new stealthy kit, Walmart hike. Well, you can break those? Can you break those? Yeah, they're cheap. Oh. The Schweiben. That's the Schweiben. Look, he's eating.
Well, no, it's my first Saturday that I've had like.
Yeah, that hurt.
What?
I went to rub my nose. Ow, pain. Like, I accidentally punched him in the nose. You freaking uppercutting me. That shit hurt. Ready? Watch this. Ready?
I actually
Go ahead. No, okay. Hold on. You didn't look. Give me again. Hey. No, wait. Where do you walk? Where do you walk? I can't. What's the day?